Bagaimana?
Morning, morning. Good morning, good morning. Alright. Good morning, good morning. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Goldie looking probably the nicest at the moment. Interesting. Let me take a look at the 5 minute as well. Yeah. So, obviously we made a big high. Which looks good. So I'll quickly do this analysis here. The daily time frame is obviously bullish, which is good. It actually closed. It did close above, to be fair, but we've blasted off already. 4 hour over here did close bearish. It did look like it retraced through maybe Asian session after the big push. Yeah, we actually, oh my god, when do we push this hard? This is nice. Towards the end of the day, wow. The news actually didn't really do anything, hey? Pushed a little bit. Oh no, it did. It still pushed quite a lot. So looking like now, I mean, we've came down, we've retraced, we've made some sort of support at 2041. Right here. The last 30-minute candles have closed bullish. The 50-minute candle is over here as well. The last one closed bearish at the start of this new hourly. Potentially, though, I mean, the break of the high accelerated play to continue over here because this zone is hella clean. Does not look too bad. Obviously, the 50 minutes closing now. Yeah, I don't see why not. Why you couldn't take those buys above, to be honest. Do you see Don's trade? Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know what he did. What was the reason? I think he did the signal wrong. Why did he just give away 25 grand to the market? You could have given it to charity. Anyway. So I actually think break of this high could be pretty good. Stop loss would be 2043. So TP as well. I mean, obviously full to 2050. Probably get to 2047 would be quite nice. Then yeah, the next one would be 2051.7. And that would be the 30-minute break at the previous high. 2045.57. Beautiful. So let me just get my magic keys on here. So the reason why I'm not getting in right now is because the break of the high is obviously better confirmation, and the difference is only like another 8 pips, and the zone is huge. So I'd rather get the break of the high. 2045 point there. So stop loss is going to be 25 pips as well. So that's not bad. Let's continue to the highs over here. I'm going to move it a little bit higher. Yeah, so 2056. 57. Wicked. Beautiful. Some good volume in the morning. Should continue back to the highs, especially how we're making some support here, which is great. So should be good. 2046. I see res. 2046. Oh, more left. What's your entry, bro? 2045.57. More left? When was the last time we were here? All the way to the last time we were here? That was ages away. How many pip stop losses? You can work that out, can't you, my man? I'll be like 25 pip stops. I see what you mean. Yeah, I mean, you could maybe go break even towards some highs, but it's mainly making of this new high and continuing back to it is what I care about, like a support forming, especially at the start of the day. But yeah, I mean, you know, you could, yeah, a little line there, knowing that it does reject in those areas. Could go break even towards there. If you don't like it, there's res to the left on the 5 minute. Yeah, there's a little minor one here, eh? But for the most part, it's based in the 30, and the 30's clean. 30 is clean. If you look on the 5, doesn't make sense. Well, yeah, we have a little resistance there, but that's okay. It's when it was pushing down. But if you look at everything that's been mitigated, price came down here, already touched. That's fine. There's no magnet for us there, so that's great. Is there any above that you could potentially target? Yeah, I mean up here, 2054, 2055, we haven't. $53.03 is a stop. Get that off. Break it. Takes the start of an M, yeah. Yes, sir. Just closed above on the 5 as well. Haven't been activated yet. Still hasn't broken the previous high. So look at GJ, yeah, so we'll take a look at GJ in a sec, but yeah, I was eyeing up Goldie this morning anyway, so I kinda wanted to jump straight into that. I'm getting 3 pips in the morning. Whoa! 3 pip spread. Well, make sure to count for it, yeah? Oh, people said that activated. Fuck's sake. Just to show you, 2056.56 hasn't broken the high. So if you guys get in, you need to remember your spreads, man. If your spreads are bad, if your spreads are high, then don't get in. You've got to be careful. You've got to be careful. Yeah. True that, true that. Great stuff. So it hasn't broken the high, therefore still got a lot of time, still got 7 minutes left to do so. So yeah. Oh my god, everyone got activated. Really, guys? Come on. I can't stress that enough. Okay, so coming down. For me, I'll delete it once the 30-minute breaks that low. I think, yeah. Once the 30-minute breaks 30-minute lows, I will delete. How do I always get activated so annoying? Because your spreads are wank. Please, for the love of Jesus. People, if you have bad spreads, then you need to move it higher. It hasn't broke the high. At any point now, this could reflip and break the high, and it just hasn't broken the high yet. If you guys are gonna use the same price as me, you've got to use the same broker. If not, people saying they've got 3 pip spreads. I've got 1 pip spread, so you need to add the extra 2 on, especially when you're breaking a high, because the breaking the high is pretty reasonable.
Perfect, we will.
Onion again. Yeah, just continuation for bullish buys. Nice hourly strong candle closure as well, which is great. Clean zone to go retest 2052. On the 5-minute though, you got to be careful here because it could be an M. Let's see. Yeah, just retesting on the 15. And then we'll take a look at the chart in this after, guys. Yeah. Oh, Ted's talking on Instagram now. So Haaland broke the record or whatever. Did he actually break the record for the most goals in the Premier League in the recent times? Show Ted Insta, what did he say? Just yabbering on as usual. Ted's usual yabbering on. What do you think of Ted? Yeah, he's good. I don't know about his broker stuff, but he was good. Should people hold? I don't know, because we haven't broke the high, so this could, you know, it could do it whatever it wants. It hasn't broken the high. It's got good rejection. I mean, if you look at the 15, good rejections down here. Hopefully, if this candle can reflip, but yeah. Ah, paying everyone out. Interesting. Is he gonna keep it running, or is he just gonna pay everyone off and leave it? Let's take a look then at the news. Did people trade FOMC last night? I was with the fam, but yeah, it looks like this could be an M here. So this is what you got to be cautious for if you are in one. Hopefully, it doesn't make the M. But yeah, the news came out here, like pushed up a little bit. I saw Raja took maybe a little buy. But what did Don do? What did Don do? I got break even, it was a bit of shit. Bit of a shitter one, was it? How much was the losing signal? He lost 25k on paper. He could have donated that to charity. That was a bit retarded from him. I know. Yep. It looks like he took loads of trades. I was looking at his thing and he took loads of trades that night. So 2 minutes left for this 30. I know people got activated there, but I'm sorry. You know, you've got to be able to work your terminal. You've got to be able to done that. In terms of, if I've explained that before, in terms of the mentorship, I did a video on it. I said if you don't have my broker, then you got to acknowledge your spreads. Imagine that other hand made 3,700. What was he smoking? I saw he was just freaking smoking about. He's vibing. Not the brightest tool in the box. Yeah, Izzy Whips is like, oh, a joint 100%. We'll see how this 30-minute closes. Because if it closes weak, I still think the celery is decent. So yeah, I fucking hate it when people get slipped in. It just doesn't even feel like it, you know. But anyway, so 30-minute close to you. I still think this is good to continue if it breaks the high, so I've still got it on. It'll just be a celery play. And it is always still bullish as long as it's hourly, you know, it doesn't break the low of the previous, so it can do whatever it wants in that time. Check GJ. We'll take a look in a second. In terms of gold for this M formation, does it make sense to take one? Yeah, probably does. Probably does, because if there's any areas that could be tested, that's already been tested. There's one to go to. There's one to go to, yeah. Good morning, David. Good morning, good morning. So 2 minutes 55 left for that. We'll see what it does here. This 30-minute though, yeah, just making a low wick. The hourly time frame just making a low wick as well. Still got 30 minutes left for this hourly. Still got a lot of time. 25k donate on his signal. What was his signal? What was his how big was his stops and stuff? The ones that didn't work out. Why don't they manually execute instead of buy stops? I don't know. Well, I have a buy stop on. It's just their spreads are shit. That's all. That's literally the only reason. I've got 1 pip spreads in gold. They've got like 2 or 3 right now. So they just got topped in there. Didn't break the high. 90 pip stop. Ooh. Fuck. Hit stop. Oh, did you get in as well, David? Lord have mercy. You guys. You dudes. Well, that feels like an L this morning because you fuckwits don't look at the spreads. So, let's take a look at GG. I still got this on. I still think the celery could be a good option. So yeah. You need to look at the hourly. Still great for this to continue all the way back to 2051, 2052 would be great. He was less than 1 pip from activating his sell stops. What? Oh, because he told people to say sell now, but actually he had a sell stop, and it didn't hit him. Oof. That's pretty mad. So still got this on. Stuff changed to current? Yeah. So stop loss is 28. So while I wait for that, let's take a look at GJ. Daily timer goes bearish. Yeah, bearish. Daily timer goes bearish. Let's put that on. Very strong candle as well, back below 170, which is pretty mad. The 4-hour time frame has closed bullish, so looking like prices came down. Maybe a little bit of a support over here, which is great. To look at the hourly, the 30-minute, and the 15. Do you have sort of a range here? I mean, in terms of support, obviously you have one here, 168 and 930. Where I would actually want to take sells though would be probably below here. 168 780. That would be beautiful to continue back down to 168 367. That zone there is very, very clean, very, very simple. So that'll be a great area to take trades from. Hey Max, how do you put break even with magic keys? Just do stop loss entry. Would you take an M on gold if it closed below the neckline? No. Because why? It's not an M anymore. It is a... massive one. Beefy boy. It's an F. It's a random ass candle. It's looking like it's respecting the support quite a lot though, so it'll be interesting to see when this bounces up. Let's take a look then. So yeah, GJ for the sells is there. Easy work. Very simple for the sells. In terms of the buys, yeah, it's going to be above this level, isn't it? I had my alert on yesterday. Yeah. Very simple. Why? Well, because the candles to the left are clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Okay, and where could you continue to? Well, 827 is where the traffic starts. So that's not a bad zone. You know, it's a decent zone. 34 pips. Very nice. Apart from that, though, this zone is not the nicest. So pretty simple on GJ today. Very simple. And we wait for that. So that gold is coming down. Never broke the 30-minute high. Continuing down, maybe flipping a little bit. I'm still going to wait on over here. See what the score is. Hey, Max. Oh, how would you put a buy stop on Magic Keys? You just drag the line. You just open calc. It has 3 lines. You just put the distance of where you want it. And yeah, you take it. You take it. Took a $500 L on gold. What did you take? What, last night? High spread on pending order, yeah. Please, why is that? Gold is going down and you're not taking the trade. No, it's not my trade to take. The hourly closed very strongly bullish. It's got to... If you want to look for sells on gold... I mean, the easiest one is probably below 2039 to continue to 2035. That's where you'd look for sells. Because that will be a great little retest as well. It needs to come back and retest that zone, so that would be great. So what I'm going to do here now is probably, I'm going to watch this 5 just in case we react off it again. But for the most part, I'm going to delete this and wait for this hourly to close now. We'll see a little bit longer. So yeah, there's my GJ. To look at EJ as well. Ooh, EJ looks good. You know those traders that say I've got a mental stop loss. Yeah, I got a mental stop loss. Is it when you're mentally challenged? Is it when you lose your mind because you're in so much drawdown? That's when you gotta close. Or is the mental stop loss just when the account stops it out for you? That is the big question. Okay, so hourly 30-minute. Let's take a look at EJ here. In terms of buying power, I mean, you know, buys maybe 149.270 you could get there, but it's just 14 pips and it's, you know, overall very, very bearish. I would not want to take the sells here. Sorry, the buys here, but sells are good. If we get a closure below there, 148.846 would be great for sells to continue back down to 147.877. That is a clean ass zone, which should be filled with goodies. Why? Because obviously if you look to the left hand side, we have beautiful clean candles here with no area to really struggle with. Maybe a little bit of traffic there, but for the most part it's not bad at all. If you look at the zone above, Can you see any area where you can fill gaps up? I mean, maybe above 150, but it's 150 400, but it's not nice, is it? It's not the nicest. So yeah, I think sells for me on EJ are the ones that I'll be looking at. Is that an M on gold? If you have to ask me if it's an M or not, then it's probably not. It's, you know, it's a wave. It's done a lot. It's not an M that I'd want to take. Yeah, if this goes below, then that would have been great. But the came back up again. Now it's just a range. Got good rejection from the highs though, so you can get down, but for me, it's nothing. It goes below, yeah. It did. If you backed, if you've looked and seen, you know, them working for me, though, when I've seen when it's not an M and it's this, it's just, it could be potentially just be a range. It's the only issue. So you wanted to break the low, close below as soon as possible. What's this for? Yeah, we did another sim yesterday while we were waiting for the news action NY. So we made most of our time, and it was great. We took yeah, all these, one break even, all the rest all winners. So that was pretty good, and that was only from the 12th, by the way, the 12th. So not even halfway in, and you took all them trades, which is good for the M's and W's. Okay, so I'm going to delete my buy stop now. I'm going to wait until the hourly closes. I'm just waiting a little bit more. I want it to break this support, because I think at any point this could react off it, hold this level and continue. So I want it really to break this low, and then I'll close. How did the 15 close? Yeah, the 15 closed awful. Five minutes still holding. So at any point this 30-minute, I mean, still looking like it's holding the support. Reflip, stop pushing, break in, and then push, break that high and continue with the clean zone to the left. So I'm just gonna hold on. I'm not gonna delete it yet. $20.38.5 miles over clean sells. 38.5. I don't know where do you guys get this from? Do you look at the 5 minute maybe? Oh, it'll be this wick. Yeah, fair. Make sure you like the stream up, guys. Hope you had a great FOMC. Hope it was good fun. Hope you enjoyed it. That would be great. Max, is this an onion? Yeah, I'd say it's a 30-minute onion. But if we start breaking this support, then I'm going to delete it. Break it. What is onion support forming? Mainly based on the 30. But also the hourly. But yeah, for people that did get caught in this morning, I just say just before you look, just look at your spreads. If your spreads are different to mine, you've got to add that on. London might have no volume after big move in Asian. Did it actually move that well? Yeah, it did. Just had a little retracement. We'll see. I mean, in terms of news today, guys. Sorry, we haven't enough time to do any of that really either. In terms of news today, it was actually a JPY bank holiday as well. Interesting. Loads of new Euro news. We've got final services PMI 930, so some news for the JPY pairs, but nothing on gold. But yeah, it did have a big day yesterday. Did anyone take the first ADP? Because the ADP I think worked better than that. Yeah, unemployment claims again for later on. But do people take the yeah, the ADP? I think it worked easier, eh? When did it push? Yeah, I had a nice little push there. Oh no, no, it wasn't, was it? Some people got slipped in. Did anyone in the chat take it? Because I know that this pushed down and some people got slipped like down there. What? Glad you took the buys, yeah. I saw that. Did he It's funny how he reduced his lots quite a lot, but I think it's because he took a lot out, didn't he? I think he knew it was going to be a risk to do a beefy one like that.
That question is, how do you anticipate how much a price can move? With that, you need to have some sort of experience trading gold, right? So gold generally in news events moves around 20 to 30 pips with pushes, right? They're like pushes. I see price pushing like a horse galloping, right? So if you look at the 1 minute candle, let's take a look at the 1 minute candle and see this for ourselves. See, so this was the news push right here, right? This was a news push right here. This is the trade I got, and after that the 1 minute candle moved up around 50-60 pips. You know, so whenever I'm in a trade, gold trade, news, I let it run to like 15, 20, 25 pips. You know, up till that point I'm exiting just like that. Like, you know, I'm not gonna hold.
Wait, what? Had cells got insta 70 pips in gold? Oh, nice. Nice, Tommy boy. Where was that? Gold is still holding this support. I need to go watch Guardians of the Galaxy. Hopefully today if I can. Hopefully. So yeah, just waiting on. I mean, the JPY pairs have got some great selling options later on, which is great. Buying maybe not so much, but the selling ones they do, which is great. Buy stuff still valid. I'm waiting for it to break this. There we go. I've broken it now. So yeah, it's not valid anymore. I'll break it. Delete buy stop. So great. So now what you're gonna do is realistically here now. If you look at the 30-minute time frame. We now have this sort of resistance here, and we just need a closure above here now. To continue. So now you can see that this is, you know, zone 1. This is zone 2. And then zone 0. And there we go. Did the M work? I mean, it did, but for me it wasn't an obvious M with that wick up. Oh, I remember that one, yeah. He did that yesterday, that was sick. That was sick, dude. So yeah, we got 20-30 pips left to get to that low, and then we'll be good. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you're new here as well, make sure to like it up. So look at the 15. The 15 is a little bit higher, so actually move on the 15 there. Yeah, I'd rather it close above here. 20.45. Because now we've respected resistance. Didn't break the high of the previous. So, wait. How would your stops have been if you got into this 20 pips? You'd have got 15, 16 now, coming to that little IC there. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, sells below 20, 39 as well. So looking good. Looking like the zones are pretty nice today, which is great. Oh, my legs. Oh, I did the legs at the gym yesterday and they're burning. I think I've hit my crotch as well a little bit. Which is not the best. Let me, I've got an appointment today. Where is it? 11 a.m. 11 a.m. So hopefully I'll go to that. Do you sell stuff and buy? Do you use sell stops, buy stop? Yes. Yes. But as people have learned in this one, if you're using a buy stop and a sell stop, you've got to know your broker as a whole. And for me, I can put it pretty tight. You know, in this one, my buy stop was 57, which is like there, because my spreads are very tight. Price only got to 42, whereas if you've got more spreads than mine, you may have got a hit in here and it never broke the high, didn't break above that resistance. So yeah, you've got to know if you're using a buy stop, make sure you check your spreads. You know, you check the spread. So 4 minutes left for this hourly to close. Looking like it's going to close quite bearish, but we'll see. I mean, it's still got 4 minutes left over here. If this starts running back up, my god. My god. See how this 30-minute closes over here. If this hourly, you know, closes very weak, then I think the break of the high still will be great. I thought you use IC markets. No? Yes, I do. My buy stop was 20.45.57. It never hit. Yeah, and actually even on the buys as well. So yeah, I mean, actually to be fair, that's quite far away. It's 130 pips away, but yeah, the sell's on far, which is good. We've got 3 minutes left for this hourly to close. We've got 3 minutes to go. Let's take a look. Have you seen this whole Charles getting done? Did you I just don't really care about like the queen stuff. I think they should be fine. They should live about and stuff, but I don't get the big woo-ha about it. Gold is bearish in the 4 hour, 1 hour and 30-minute, bro. Sells will be a better option. Yep, sells will be a better option if you get above below 2039. I just know for the most part when you make a high, especially, you know, I mean this one was a bit later on in the day, especially how bullish we are, we will get back up to these highs at some point, especially 2052. So I'm just trying to get in as early as possible if I can. But right now, yeah, we're closing bearish, nowhere near. Terrible morning. Just accidentally blew my MFF Phase 2 evaluation thinking I'm on practice demo. Oh my god. That's a huge mistake. Oh no, no, no. Oh, that's rough. So who took the 7? I think some people would have. I didn't really like it because of that wick back up. But it held the neckline a very long time, which is a good sign, eh? Right here. You would have got 20 pips stops. You would have got 20 pips just. You had to be quick out of there. When you said retesting the highs, Roger uses it a lot. Yeah. Well, when price makes a high, retraces, makes support, it does come back up to the high with bullish structure. So. Yes, sir. I had to drink this coffee up. Sorry, this cup of tea. Yeah, well, yeah, Thomas, I was thinking if we close all right. We'll see. It did close bearish, but it did reject the lows, which is nice. You see, it came back down here. You would use current candle as well if it was a celery, which could also be interesting. See here, this hourly making a low wick first would be nice. And on the 5 minute, yeah, we have a little bit of traffic there, but it's nothing that's been untested. The only retest area that we haven't done is up here, yeah, 2054, which is nice. Did you see Don's story when he lost on purpose? Yeah, that was mad. Damn. Yeah, did he, what other trades did he take? Because he took loads, I saw, he took loads. Why did Don think that was a good idea? I'm really confused. Why didn't he give the why didn't he just give 25 grand to his members who lost money? Or why did he do that? You could have just given it to the people that took the trade, you know? You could have just spread it out. It's a madness. Don wrote the signal wrong. People lost 90 pips, and then he decided to take random trades and lose 25k with it. Oh, this is respectable. But what was he trying to prove? I don't get it. Was he just trying to lose his money that he made from the trade, or was going to lose in the trade? He literally could have just given it to them, though. I bet people would have been fuming at him. I bet you he'd have a lot of people going, Don, why the fuck did you do that? You could have given it to me, which I've just lost, £100 on or whatever. Yeah, he should have just PayPal people. Some people are mad, so I think he felt bad. Yeah, but you could do it in a bit of a nicer way. Like maybe give the people that are mad the money, not give the markets the money. But anyway, a fair play, he doesn't know shit. Yeah, that's true, Shaney. That's true, that's true. So this 30 minutes pumping down. 36 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Ooh, official ins took a trade in Asian session. There. She went out over here. So yeah, GG hasn't really started getting its fuel going yet. So yeah, hopefully, I think it's been clarified maybe today. I'm going to be doing the gumball rally, which is good. Gumball rally. I'll be doing the first part of it, which will be fun. Exactly. Yeah. What does the word buppy mean, bruh? What? I don't know. Actually, we'll check my trading. My question. Actually, with celery, should we wait for the candle to close, or should we take an impulse entry, especially in the 5 or 50 minute? No, I would not look at that. The only thing I'd look at is the hourly celery, but we've already broken the previous low, so it doesn't make sense no more. Doesn't make sense anymore. Now I just want to wait for a closure, I think, here. A closure above. Closure above or closure below. I'm happy either way. But yeah. For people that took the L this morning, if you got it. Please, just watch your spreads, please. Because it pains me. It makes me feel awful. It makes you have a shit day when people lost money. So please, for the love of Jesus, check your spreads. What was the thinking behind the gold buy? It was a 30-minute break of the high. Support forming to continue back to the highs here. Yeah, didn't break the high, so just deleted it. Got very close to, but it didn't break the high. There's also hourly making support. So yeah. Can you see how much we're respecting this level? We're not really pushing and filling this zone yet. So I do think the buys are going to come to fruition eventually here. We just got to be patient to get the right entry. My glutes are killing me, my god. The gym wrecked me yesterday. Sorry, Max, I was asking in general, not this trade. Oh. The salary is normally based on the 30-minute and the 15-minute on gold. But yeah, normally the 30-minute on GPY pairs. Oh yes. When was actual Don's trades taken? What time? What time was that? 7:30. Ah. 7:30. Okay. Did Wix get anything last night? 'Cause it's quite a big.
I mean, what's this, Bob?
I reached my limit, bro.
About that level, but like I said, it typically when it does that, it'll drive right through that area all the way to the next. What happened tonight? Build this wick to its bottom. So, ideally, we have this current hourly that's open right now.
Look what Don's got in the background. He's got his background.
Return it. So 40 pointer.
1 a.m. tonight for the private group for everyone that's sitting at my table. All right. Love and wisdom to you all.
Ah, look at the girls. Dead cute, man.
Okay, so now we have
Dead cute. Dead cute. Lol, I want to know if you should wait for a closure or rip. I'm waiting for closures now. Broke the low of the previous. Don's just trading himself with too much pressure on the win rate. Yeah. If you know you have a high win rate, you can do a lot with what often he does. Yeah. I mean, Don seems to, you know, if you take, especially if he takes a losing trade, then the next trade, man, he'll treble lot that bitch and he'll just make it back. It's quite a good strat. Unless you lose that one, then it's gonna be an oh. Price was like 2 minutes after. No. So yeah, just in this consolidation at the moment here. And GJ, as I say, yeah, the zone above on GJ is not the nicest. I don't think it's the easiest. You waiting for 15 or 30-minute closures on what? On gold or on GJ or? I'd say both of them really 30. Yeah, it's probably going to be a 30-minute closure here anyway. Man, I will repeat again, please. My question and answer. I want to know whether I'm in a salary play. Would you take closure below or rip? What? Do you even know what a salary play is, bro? A salary play is this. There's no closure. You just take the break of the previous high. Is that what you? Do you not know what a salary is? You asking what it is, or are you telling me overall? Gold, bro. Yeah, probably the 30. 30 here. Is that comes under revenge train to make that money back, Max? I don't. It depends because he's still sticking to his rules in terms of the trades he's taking. He's not taking a stupid trade at a bad time. He just knows that if you have a 90% win rate and you take a you know, a loss, what is the probability that the next trade is going to be a loss if you've got like a 89% win rate? It's going to be pretty high, isn't it? So if you treble a lot of that because your stop loss is like 3 times as much as you win, then he makes it back. So I can see how it works mathematically. You just got to be able to take it. And I think that's what happened with his big winner. You know, he lost a bit and then it came, and that one that he made 100k on, he was down 70 grand at one point. Like, oh my god, Dun Boy's a master at this. But yeah, I think it's just, you know, if you take a losing trade, the probability of the next one is still very, you know, 87% chance it's gonna be a losing trade. It's very high. It's not going to be. So therefore, you can just treble a lot of that bitch, and you've got it back. And if you lose that one, yeah, exactly, yeah. But it's 88%, whatever his win rate is at the moment. It's chance, it's very low. Damon, yes, that's a salary play. You're asking me if is that risky? You got to go back test it, brother. Why are you taking my word for it? You do 6 times your standard lot. Yeah, it's if you lose that one, then you're like, oh. That would be heavy. Please, with gold, there is a zone at 2033.79. Why was it neglected to the far left? What? What, in April? What do you mean here? Because it was long ago. It was, you know, a month ago. Current price, this is the major zone that we need and that we want. Morning, Trev. Morning. Yeah, so this support obviously is still respected, still hasn't closed below, so that's fine. It's still in this consolidation range. But it looks like it's going to break out at one point, which would be great. Why did Siri just chat in my ear, boy? That's what I thought. But yeah, yesterday went to York again, man. York is nice. York is good. I was speaking to my dad about a summer car, and I think I might get one. Just a little fun one, you know. I'm either going to get my own little Porsche Boxster, like a cute little Porsche Boxster. They're not very expensive, but they'll be good fun. I just want to drive this car. I'm sick of having a little shit car. I fancy like a fun drive car. So I might get a Porsche Boxster because it obviously have a roof down, manual, really reliable, and they don't lose any money. Or I might use my dad's Lotus Esprit for the summer. So that'd be pretty cool. Either one of them. For the summer rides. Or why? Because it's not current price? Yeah, it's not current price. It was far away. It was ages away. It was like 20 days ago. It's been neglected because this is price right now. So coming down over here, obviously, you know, all of the impulses could take their cells now and hope it works. But yeah, check out Shrewsbury, very nice. Is that a place? I've heard of it. Shrewsbury. But Be excited for the summer. The days is getting like longer now. Looking good. It's hot. It's getting a little bit hot. Yesterday I was like, oh, this is nice. You know, this is decent. So it's getting hotter now. It's like York. York is a vibe. Like York is very nice. It's so close towards Leeds as well. I just can go at any time, which is nice. 194 people in this building. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure to like the stream up, guys. Still waiting for a break below on gold. Break below on GJ. And EJ as well. GJ and EJ haven't really done anything yet. Gold's pumping down right now. I wouldn't say the 5 minutes being the cleanest coming down. It's been messing around quite a bit. But yeah, it's come down to that 5 minute support now. See how it wants to deal with this. So what you got to do here is you got to eye up, right? So if this gets oh wait 1 second, if this gets a closure below, how is this going to work in terms of stops? You know, previous stop there would be 25. The zone's 33, so that would be all right on the 15. But the 30 stops would be too big. So you'd have to eye that up. Good stuff, GJ. GJ is on the run now. Yes. Only still 20 past 7 though. Still very early on, which is nice. Who took FOMC? Who took FOMC trades in the chat? Let me put a poll. I want to see. Did you win? Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys. Max, you avoiding EJ? A lot of news? Yeah, there is a lot of news, brother. Yeah, the zone is hella clean though, but yeah, there is a lot of news. So I have to see. It's pretty much the whole time, isn't it? Constant. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Yeah, that's a lot. My TP got slipped after holding buy. It's a pretty nice problem to run into. Very nice. I took the same as Raja with low risk, made like 0.4. Good stuff. Max, do you also trade news like Raja? Yes, sometimes I do, but I like doing it when I've already made money in the month. If I haven't made any money in the month, because you know it's the start of the month, I don't want to be putting myself in a sticky situation for the month, you know, in case something went horrendously wrong. So yeah, I didn't want to do it. Weird how the volume kicked in at the last hour of the market and not towards 2:33 p.m. Made 200 pips. Oh my god. Very nice. So you can see this gold's coming down. The zone's good enough. It's a shame that M there, you might not have still held because it tapped you out. That's a bit of a shame. This now should go tap here. 2035.5. Because the zone is clean. Go on, GJ. Get down there, brother. I know, it's kind of hard to get in there. Was there any other way? Yeah, it's quite hard, isn't it? Literally the 5 minute didn't close below and push with no top wick, so there's no real way you could have got that really. Earned 10 pips in gold thanks to the news, but very risky. Very nice. Let's take a look then. So 43% of people, 44% of people did not trade it. 38% of people got a win, and then 17% of people didn't. Interesting. So good percentage there though. Go on, GJ. Come on, boy. Still got 169 there, so it's got a big psychological level, so it's got a while. And there we go, coming down. Why? Well, because it's a clean candle to mirror, clean zone to mirror. Or just planned trade. The 1 hour retest. Oh, and the reflip is also 15 celery there. Zone's shit though. Love how there's no way to enter. Yeah, it wasn't really here. Any other zones below? Yeah, there's not really. I still like buys later on. Buys with 2045 would be beautiful. How's crypto doing as well? I think we got a little pump again, didn't we? With the news. I mean, it wasn't the biggest one, I think, but let's take a look. Yeah, 29,000. $29,000. So 5 minutes left for the 30 minute. I'm glad that this Guardians Galaxy's got some decent reviews though, which is nice. Go for that. 5 minutes left for this 30. See if GJ can get down there by then. That'll be great. Yeah, I just stopping his mentorship thing, innit? Smart Raja packaging. What the fuck? Did he get close to tapping the wicks? Not really. So, 4 minutes left for this. We'll see. I hope GJ won't pump 200 pips in 10 minutes. Look at that push though, man. Shit's running. Daily's flipped. Is this zone below actually not that bad? Oh shit. I did not want that. Yeah, the issue you have right here is it's at 169. I am not playing 169. Hell no. 169, big psychological level. Can rebound it, can tap it, can reject it multiple times as it did here. There's just no point. I'd rather wait until we get below 780 and then I've got the cleanest of zones to continue back down here. Realistically to there. I hate playing with whole numbers, really. The whole numbers seem to struggle a lot. Like, see, you can see already tapped here 50 pips already. Will you enter gold max after the top wick? You tell me, Nima. Will I? Yeah, it's quite a hard one. To be fair, I think it's already pushed that zone, and also your stop loss is going to be 30 pips. Your TP is going to be 25. I think it's done. To be honest with you, we'll see how big the top wick is and stuff, but. Yeah, it's quite a big rejection as well. Half the candle, pretty much. I like the initial drive in zones like that, but if not, you have to wait for a big wick and then a reflip, because then it'll be rejecting zone 1, and then it should fill. So we'll see if it makes a top wick and then a flip. $20.31. Let's switch further down. Yeah, I suppose broke above. That'll be next target, wouldn't it? So the 5 minute retested. Yeah, so I'm just going to wait for this to make a top wick. First TP read 203514. Yeah, I really wanted to come to like there, 2039.3, the retest of the zone, but looking like it's gonna just fill it. Very nice. Fill the zone. So if you got in there, I mean, stop loss above into the previous zone, 26 pips, you'd be up now. 17, you probably go break even here. Expecting price to continue. Since when was Newcastle third? Mate, we're doing well, man. So back down now, 2035.3 would be TP. Did anyone get in there? I didn't have much time to get in. I kind of wanted the wick up a little bit more. Nice. Yeah, this should continue here. If I reflip though, I'd be careful. If you got, it depends what your actual entry was. Those 1 minutes don't look nice, eh? Rejecting the support. That would be a good. If it's risk free, it don't really matter. Stopped at break even. Yeah, fair. And that was good. No entry either. I need a decent wick up. Yeah, I just wanted a little bit of a wick up to retest the previous zone. Are you in? No. Sorry. I was just going through it. EJ could be good. Yeah. The only issue is it's got 26 minutes left for the 30, and that's when the news comes out. For fuck's sake. Spanish unemployment change. I agree, Harry. Yeah. Yeah, but it looks like there is clean zones today. We just gotta be patient. They will come. Just it's a slower time. Yeah, since we've taken a normal trade, it's been a while. It's been pretty slow. Especially for the fact there's been a lot of times where there's actually been quite decent closures, but there's fucking news. Literally when it closes, it's like, oh come on. When you wait, that is the worst thing about trading. When you wait for a zone literally all day, and then the time it actually wants to close in the zone, and you're ready to take a trade, it's bloody news. You're like, well, cheers for that. Thank you very much. It's yellow box. Yeah, it's true, but it still is news. But yeah, you could still try and go for it. Maybe if it makes a top wick and then flips. But I think GJ is going to be the same thing, and GJ has no news, so I'd rather wait for GJ here, I think. Also, if I can get my stop loss above 169, it's a very strong resistance. The one time Dom was away and Wix took the NY session, but we spoke so much that we were in a trade and had to close off because we forgot there was a user to it. Oh my god. Gold is messing around. Yeah, I'm not liking gold. You see the lower time frames? Ooh, it could be a 5 minute here. W. Yeah, even here it wasn't that nice, was it? Go, GJ, go! Got a long way for the 30, which is a bit annoying, but 15 is very strong. I think I'd use the 15 here, to be honest. 30 pip stop. So we'll see. We'll see. Reading sales and just says, how can you be good at price reading? By backtesting, looking at what it does before. Again and again and again and again and again and again and again. Oh yes. Actually, when we choosing the World Cup. Oh, the World Cup thing, yeah. Larry Williams. My God. Why did GG always have clean moves without wicks? Oh. What the fuck happened there? I don't know what happened there. I have no idea what happened there. Okay, we're fine now. GJ is blasting, blasting, blasting. Blasting, blasting, blasting. You taking the W on gold? Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The issue is it counter trend? I mean, no, it's super in the Asian thing, so yeah, I mean, you could do. Yeah. We take this one, don't we? I'm taking this motherfucker. Okay, low wick. I'm getting in right now, guys. This is W. How many times have you taken it? As I said, though, this is still testers. This is still testing around. Stop losses like below here for like 19. The reason why I'm also taking it is because it's swooping the Asian lows. That's fine. That's not current price. But as I said, guys, this is still testing. This is still testing about. What you could do here is wait for the reflip. Yeah, it's pulling too far now. Yeah, that's the only issue as well. But anyway, as I say, I'm playing with them. As I said, I've done low risk. Huh?
Sell, no buy. Okay, sell.
Yeah, that stops there. Okay, take a look at GJ. GJ is still looking good. GJ is still looking good. We've got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for Le GG. I think the 15 is strong enough, you know. I really do. I think the 15 is strong enough. So if people haven't got into the W, I mean the reflip, break of the high, that's what you could do. That's how you get in a bit more reasonable. So 2 minutes left for GJ. 2 minutes left. In 2038.8. Yeah, that's what I got in as well. Your stop loss isn't below the low. Yeah, it's below all this. So it has to break the whole lows. Yep. Can you explain that gold trade? Yeah, I will after, but it's just our testing, just our backtesting that I've been doing for a while. I'm just taking all the ones I'm seeing with a lower risk, just so I can see how it works, how I can manage how XYZ works, because of that. It's all good doing them backtesting, but when you're actually taking them in the real life and how your entries are and stuff, that's what I want to look for. I'm thinking potentially using a set lot on them, on just W's and M's. Yeah. 25 seconds left. So the issue you have with Goldie now is we never reflipped. So another thing here, what am I learning in this one? I'm learning that potentially what you can do is wait for it to make the lower wick, wait for the reflip. Because can you see this one's never reflipped? Never reflipped. So maybe waiting a little bit more instead of just getting in straight away is probably the thing that I've learned this week so far. Interessante. So yeah, it doesn't look good because the 15's closed bearish. Yeah, but as I say, I'm just playing with it. I'll still put up my record because I'm still just taking them, but I'm, as I say, playing. Sniper entry if you rocket from here, yeah. So can you see the 15 close at support? So for me, that's not a trade I want to take. We need to wait until the 30 closes, which will be the 8 o'clock open, which will be in the most volume, which is great news. Yeah, goal 5, no lower wick, 100%. If you guys are, you know, taking this with me and you're doing lower risk and stuff, then we're learning on the job. But I wouldn't take them if you're on like funded and stuff. We're still going on it, still doing it today. In fact, we're going to be doing the gold W's, which is good. Gold, baby, gold, gold, gold. Yeah, Jackie, she's all good, my man. Take your time with them, take your time. So you can see, yeah, respected that support. Therefore, you gotta manage a little bit over here. Break even on this now? Yeah, it's fair. I'm not going to do anything. I don't care. I'm happily losing this. As I said, I've reduced lots. I'm kind of just going through the motions. There is no bottom wick on the 15, so that's fine. However, we have just broke 50-minute highs, so... And the reason why I'm liking it is if I get this low, I could run this for the whole zone. But if you don't like it, get out. It is 50-minute closure bearish, but I'm just going to play with it. Closing partials into low risk. No, I'm not doing anything, man. I'm just going through the motions. I'm holding it on, seeing situations. Because also, I want to be able to make sure when we do the M's and W's, when we get an inkling that it's not really working out, how do you get out? That's what I'm really trying to do. And what we've seen kind of on the Sims is that if it just kind of doesn't push very quickly and kind of fucks around, then that's when it's time to get out. You know, after like 4 or 5-minute candles. Yeah, that's good, Lucien. Yeah, that's good, man. For people using your own initiative and not wanting to take them and waiting until Sims, then that's why I haven't called them out. You know, I'm doing it on my own behalf because, you know, I got to learn too. So yeah, the thing that we're waiting for, guys, right now is just GJ sells. Hopefully in 9 minutes. That would be great. That would be spiffing. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Make sure to give it a like, give it a share, all that good stuff. And hopefully we'll have a trade soon, an actual trade, not a trade that I'm practicing over here. Push, push. Now, what I'm thinking here is because all of them have been mitigated, there's no area I need to worry about. This has been mitigated, this has been mitigated, so it should just drive here. Are you in? Lord have mercy, I'm not going to ask you guys again. Okay. So you can decide now, go break even or whatever. I want to see how this works. I want to see how, you know, we are at 2040. But I think we can get to maybe there. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so stop loss to break even for people who've taken it. Did we actually go and tap that 5 minute? Yeah. So every single one that I've done has gone into significant profit, which is great. Great news. Great success. What's the meaning of mitigated? It means it's touched. So if you look on the 5s, what tends to happen with price is when price breaks out of a support, it always comes and retests it. Can you see retested? Okay. So when they've all been retested, there's no area that you've got to worry about. If you're taking a buy and price hasn't touched this level, it's going to reject it quite hard. So if they've all been touched, then you don't have that worry. Could be a bigger W now? Yeah, it could be. So it's 5 minutes left for the hourly. I might actually close 80% here, just for the fact that the hourly is going to close. And I want to take some money off the cards, but you can just hold as well. So, let's take a look at GJ. Nearly there. It's nearly there. Get up, Sana. Okay, I'm probably going to close some here. Because, let's take a look at the hourly now. Yeah, it's got 5. To be fair, the 5 minutes just closed above. And my stop loss is below. So, yeah, I'm going to hold this. If it gets break even, it gets break even. But it actually could be a retest now for another W. So, we'll see if I can stay on. My entry is 2038.73. So, my little worry is here. This could go retest now, then break, reflip, and then push. So, hopefully you can stay in. Yes! Flip. There's the retest on the neckline. Now flip! Push! Fly! 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 Okay, I'm going to close 80% here. I think. It comes back to that little 1 minute. Push one more. Come on, push, 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 push. Right, I closed 80% there, guys. At 10 pips. And now, I've got a runner on. The reason is because the hourly and, you know, but it's still, as long as that low wick is respected, this has a good potential. So I closed 80% there. Yeah, and what I'll probably learn from this is just leave it. Just leave it alone. You got to break even. If this pushes, you're going to make a lot of money. If not, then you're good. The reason why is because the hourly is going to close. So now I'm going to hold this bitch all the way to probably 2049 at least. If this does hold. Sorry, 2051. Okay, so good stuff. Nice. There's another one added to the bank. GJ is not there yet. 2 minutes left. Looking like it's not even going to get a closure. Looking like it's respected that support. So you can see how your zones are so important. Look at your zone here. There's support. Look to the right hand side. We hold support. So you can see on Goldie here, the hourly is going to start. You know, the hourly has to make a lower wick. Therefore, I know there's a good chance my trade isn't going to stay on. That's why I closed at 10 pips there. So I made 0.7, which is great. EJ is way better. EJ is way better. However, there is news in 2 minutes. So you've got to take that into account. Are you happy with that? Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Well, no, because I took close 8%. Didn't you know risk? Yeah, but I'm talking about in terms of the trade, which is what I've done on here. In terms of here, so if you go now on to 2023. So if we go here, add it again. As I said, this is 1.4. As I said, I've tested. And this is probably what I will use, 1.4, I still think. Because the good thing about them is they have good R to R as well, which is nice. So, when did I take that trade? 740. We've actually seen quite a lot recently in this month, haven't we? Already. So that one that was an L only didn't work because I managed risk. It actually did work after. So yeah, kind of realizing from also the simulations as well that there's no point in managing risk. Just fucking leave it. This one I closed earlier, but it's because of the fact that the hourly's gonna start. But if this drives with no bottom wick, then I'm good. But I highly doubt it. I'm still in though. I'm a runner. Push. No. Yes. Push. 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 When will you make signals for M's and W's? For GJ, it'll be end of this week. Yeah, my runner got tapped out over here. For GJ, it'll be end of this week, and for gold, it'll be sometime in the month. Still going through on gold. So close full there at 0. So overall is 8. So 0.56 gained, not bad. If you've rested 1.4. Are you risking small or normal? I am risking small, but on here I'm putting all of them here because I'm not gonna change from each individual one. I'm just writing these ones over here. If you wanted to take the 1.45, that's what you'd get. So in terms of that one as well, yeah, this one here, I think it went to more than 1-to-1 as well, actually, I'm pretty sure. To like 24 pips, 21 stops, so not bad, not bad. Added to the description. Okay, wow, look at this. GJ reacted off that level. Hourly's opened. If you take a look at gold, gold's pushing down now, so respecting this resistance. If you take a look at the 30, is it the zone that you want to take? There's actually 15 celery going on right now, which isn't too bad. It's a shame the wicks to the left are very choppy here. It's not very clean. So in terms of a celery play, you want the zone to be very clean. If you're taking an impulse on the break of a low, when price is rejected like 4 times there, it's a risky business. It needs to be very, very clean with no levels there. If you manage to lose too soon, you're actually losing money now. Exactly. So yeah, I know. I mean, if that one was okay, we would have had like a 4% already, which is not bad. Let's take a look here. Audis making downtrend. How do we say it's gonna flip to the downside? What? Did EJ close? No. EJ closed below on the 15, but 30 minute also closed below, but it's looking like it's coming back up. So we gotta wait over here. Gotta wait. I really want these gold buys. Every single time we come down, we reject pretty hard. So I'm waiting for more buys. I think that was a great example of one that in hindsight, in terms of different practices that we've seen in terms of GJ anyway on the Sims, getting in at the Asian low as well. When it swoops them, you can get maybe if this wanted to continue, you're getting the low of the whole session. So it's a good one to do. Max gold, 30-minute sell. I said the celery you could do, but for me it's too many wicks. Too many wicks in that area. GJ and EJ, I'm still waiting for sells below on 781. That's all I'm doing really. Make sure you like the stream, guys. 71 likes. Make sure you like. Also share and tag me on Instagram, all that kind of stuff. Let's take a look, Yugi. Oh, did you just take the break? Oh, is this right now you're looking for? On the reflip. Plan to sell stop. Yeah, I see, I see. We have to come to 149 first. That's where it needs to go retest. But yeah, I think after that, it could be good. Because you look at the 5, where would it retest? Probably there. Let's see if this drives maybe a little bit more. Yeah, it looks clean, 100%. Can you see gold again rejecting? This shit's gonna rocket. It's just hard to get in, that's all. Yeah, and the issue is actually here is the 15 didn't close above, the 30-minute didn't close above, so you can't take the buys yet. You gotta wait. You gotta wait longer. Let me get rid of that now. Yeah, this zone 1's pretty clean as well. Now, looking at it. Oh. Where the fuck are the eyes at? Have I lost it? Oh no. There it is, okay. Oh, my back's sore as well. Yeah, I was doing a squat yesterday. The only thing that I don't like with squats is my neck, man. The neck hurts like a bitch. What time frame do the W's and M's fall under? 5 minute. Yes, clean on the recent, but if you look left, not so clean. Only clean if you look on the recent. Yeah. I'm gonna stay out of this just because, obviously, knowing the 5 minute a little bit more now and know what we think, we broke below here and we haven't retested, so the stop isn't safe. That's my only issue for it, so I'm not gonna take that. But I see what you mean. I think it looks good. Just in the way that the 5s move, you can see if price wanted to retest, it could easily come up to there. Price from the bar on your traps instead of your neck. Yeah. Any advice for starting with squats? I actually, some advice for me, because I've only just started doing legs recently in the last, like, I don't know, 2-3 months. Do like normal like leg extensions like on the machines first, get some strength there, then go into squats, because I feel at the start with squats you just feel very weak because you're just not used to it, whereas if you do like the legs for like 2 months on like different cables on like the press machine, then go to squats, because squats is very like there's nothing really supporting it, you're kind of just there by yourself. So I would just wait and do it yeah, do different machines, then start squats. What do you think about the GJ flip? No. On the 30, on the hourly, yeah, it's got no room to push into it. Just rejected a support. So what's really happening now on the 30 minute is that price is ranging from there to there. So you've got to wait for a break in this zone. She burns. So 50%, 56% of people didn't trade yesterday. 20% of people actually lost. Interesting. My bro, I think that these entries that are not official should not go in the real tracking book. For example, I've not taken any because I'm not always concentrated by the transmission. Well, we can do that as well. We can do that as well if you want me to. It's just I got told to put them in as well. So I'm like, what do you guys want? What do you guys want? Celery worked well. Yeah, it did, but it's did do it perfectly. Came all the way back up actually. I took 50% off at the wicks, went break even, closed the rest at 1.3. Yeah, I think to be honest with you, I think a lot of people have actually taken them. That's the only thing. Oh wow, beautiful stuff, Curry boy. Where did you get in? Did you get in on the celery?
Matt Cello.
Yeah.
Pocket Cello.
Yeah. You took it, boy.
The
3 minute was a little scary. Look at that. We're all the way back up. That's
No entry.
good stuff, good stuff. TP1 there. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Why is that stopped? Yeah, get rid of this. Goal was never a buy today. It's still maybe later on, but yeah, right now it isn't. Break of the low celery was an option for me. I don't like it when there's no wicks, when there's wicks there. I like it when it's clear. So like for example, if this wasn't here, let's take a look. When this wasn't here, then I would have taken it. But when there's wicks and it's rejected there twice already, it's a risky business. Obviously you have volume, which is great. Good that 8 o'clock has some volume though in recent times, which is good. Very good, very nice. Hopefully now 2031 would be good. Is it okay if I only trade GJ? I fear trading gold. Of course it is. Of course it is. Yeah, see EJ's not already there yet. Let's take a look at EJ. Still not there, still not there. Good stuff. So yeah, 2031 should potentially come down now. It was good on the 15 because, as I said, it didn't close above, closed right at it, which is nice. Break the low there, yeah. With volume, as I say, a celery plays like this, you take with volume, so it was a great time to take it as well. So yeah, it was not bad. For me, the wicks I wasn't comfortable with. So yeah, definitely now buys with 2045. Could you take the buys back above 2039 or if it goes back in the zone? The issue you have is the 30-minute support is at 2041, so it's a little bit harder. But yeah, right now, you know, we're bearish. We just have the previous zone. Great stuff. Great success. Let me make sure I write this on. Beautiful, beautiful. So if you did take anything in the gold there, that is the level to take off. Why? Well, because that was previous resistance, could act as support now. That's where the traffic starts. So that's the time you gotta take it, boy. Oh, my arms. That's the time you gotta take it, boy. So the 15 minutes is gonna close in a second. See how that closes, but yeah, I think towards maybe 9 o'clock you may get that GJ sell, which would be great. Right, let's do a Wordle. Let's do a Wordle. Oh, we got 5 grays. Holy shit! What session do you trade? London and NY. Yes. Oh, I tell you what, Apple Watches for the people who have it on their left hand is so annoying. It just clicks the crown the whole time. It's fucking pain in the ass. Let me put it on here. There we go. Here on my right hand though feels awful. Let's take a look at beats per minute. This is what we should do. That beats per minute tracker. My heart rate. I can probably see my heart rate when the trade hour is in. Let's see. My beats per minute right now is 54. God damn. I am a chill ass dude. My resting rate is 48 beats per minute. Fuck me. Juice. Busy. What was that? Busy? Buzzy. Entry, no, there's no E. No E, sir. Fully. Oh. No. Runny. No, there's no R. Okay. Oh, shit. There must have something in it. Oh, no. Yummy. It's definitely not yummy. Oh, there's no... God, there's no letters. Let's say if gold closes bullish in the 30-minute, can it be buy to the next zone? No. Now you're in zone 0. You need to wait until you get to at least into zone 1 to look for buys, but probably more likely into zone 2. Because the 15 and the 30 differ with supports. I think it begins with a P. P-U. I have no idea. Fuck it, let's just do that. There's a J! Guppy. Fucking hell, that was hard, that. That's the first one we've ever failed, I'm pretty sure. The first one we have ever failed. So yeah, we've just got to wait for Goldie to break out next zone to trade. I mean, right now it's coming down. Going down. Max, you gonna put that L in the journal? What L? The one this morning that I didn't take? No, because I didn't take it. Because it never broke the high. Oh, the weirdo. They meant the trade this morning. I was like, nope, because my spreads did not put me in. And if it did break that high, it would have at least got some pips out of it. 100% broke that zone volume. But it did not. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120 Nice, Ollie. You took the salary. Good work, brother. So yeah, today we do Sims. We'll get that up and running. 90 win rate. We haven't been looking at a 5-minute trend line recently. Yeah, I haven't backtested it in a while, so it's kind of why. There's one on gold. There is one on gold. Yeah, that could be with confluence of the buys potentially later on. I was going to take the EJ sell if the current 30-minute flipped and broke its low. But exit after it started breaking its high. Yeah, the issue that I said here is, look, the 5-minute needs to go retest this level. 149. That's why I wasn't paying attention. Obviously, look, it's just tap now. See what it does here. Shit is running, boy. Yeah, for me, EJ as well. There was news. Did any more news come out? Let's take a look here. 8:45. Yeah, I'm gonna really master them M's and W's, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was gonna take the Aegis. You on every day? Yeah, man, I'm on every day. Every single day. Every single day. And bright and early as well. We get on early. Early. You're on something every day. You definitely are, Tom. You definitely are, Tom. I'm up early too, we'll drop in. Yeah, we get up. Yeah, we start at like 6 o'clock. Magic powder every day. Keeps that focus on the charts, man. Yeah, GJ coming back up. See if this gold you can break that support. That'll be interesting. Back down in 2031. Oh, Raja took the celery. Raja took the celery. Good job, good job. Already in gold cells, yeah. I mean, also where would your stop be? So if you did that there, your stop loss would be like that. Yeah, nice stop as well. 19 pip stop. Just a shame about those wicks that I didn't really like. We were like 27 from it. That's not bad. That's not bad. Great success. Look at that. So GJ coming up. As I say, I don't really like the buying zones on GJ, to be honest with you. I really don't fancy them. This is 4 hour may flip. Wow, it came all the way down, rejected. Is EJ pumping up as well? Yeah. The good thing actually about the study as well is that the 15 had no bottom wick, which normally gives it a good drive, to be fair, which is nice as well. Erling Haaland saying he's playing some video games. I wonder what video games he plays. Definitely Goat Simulator. Someone said in the chat. The fucking Goat Simulator. That's hilarious. Lovely stuff. See you later, Jackie. See you later, my man. Raja could go off one trade a month. Us, not really. Well, Raja was also at that point at one time. You can't make that as an excuse. You just gotta keep working, man. Keep working. It's breaking the low. Why is that a stupid question? I actually don't have 22 days a month on learning this, so I can only use best trades to make money. Well, no one takes a trade thinking it doesn't work, unless you are really, really mentally challenged. For the most part, every single trade you take, you do expect to win. So you gotta remember. You gotta go, oh, I'm only gonna take the trades that really work. It's like, well, yeah, that's that's hopefully all of them that you've backtested. And you just gotta add little pieces on. The reason why I've done these M's and W's is because I've been looking at the 5 minute on my right terminal for fucking ages, seeing them happen a lot, seeing Brian sending them to me, and Tom sending them to me constantly. I'm like, right, I'm doing nothing right now because price is just ranging. The only time it really moves is because of what's it called? Because we're just ranging, we're moving because of just because of news. I'm sitting here doing nothing at this time. So how can I potentially take advantage of these areas? And it is just to backtest something new. I found something new. I've taken already 3 trades on gold, which we really haven't backtested in gold anyway. I just wanted to take them on gold. And yeah, we've done well with them. The only one that I lost was because I managed risk too early. It actually did play out. Have they been the nicest? I don't think so yet, but I'm still taking every one, just sort of seeing how I can see how I can manage them, see how it feels getting in on the retests and all that kind of stuff. So this one here, there's a W. Now it's a little bit counter trend as it's broke. Also, your stop loss, but if you got in like there, your stop loss would be like 22 pips, your TP would be 17, so the R to R's off as well, so I wouldn't take that buy. Yeah. Because why? Well, we know, I mean, it kind of, yeah, it didn't really go top, but we know that price is most likely going to retest this level that broke out of, and it hasn't yet, so that's the first level that you could have issues with. Your degree has nothing to do with your common sense, let alone trading psychology. People here aren't sure. I have a law psychology degree. I mean, wait. I find this funny. If you think that being smart is having a degree, is that tells me you're dumb. It's an aspect that you can read a book and learn it. Wow, that's great. I don't think that much brain power. I think people that are clever can have debates and conversations which may have different outcomes or may have different opinions on other people, but can respectfully talk with each other and discuss and potentially maybe change their idea when someone offers a better idea. I think that is proper someone who's clever. The cleverest people that I've ever met are when we are talking in a situation with different ideas, with different executions. That's a clever person, not someone who can read a fucking book for 3 years. Wow, great. I got a degree and I took less brain power getting that fucking degree than any other thing that I've always done. Being able to listen is... People who listen are very intelligent as well, yeah. I was chatting to a girl the other night who said I wouldn't entertain anyone without a degree. Yeah. Some people are just dumb. That's what it is. I've got a degree in XYZ. That's great. That's great. Bro, psychology is not a 3-year degree, it's 7-year. Yeah, psychology is great, but it's... I could still read probably what you read and still do the exam. The only thing it tells me... is your... you've got a good memory, which is a side of being intelligent. Your arrogance sucks. I'm sure you can, bro. I did a maths degree, so don't even chat me with your bullshit psychology. People who did psychology in my uni got called the fucking retards. So don't even chat to me. You guys had like 3 exams every year. I had like 15 every term. Don't even chat to me. Law's fine. Law's boring. All you gotta do is read a book and write down an essay. Wow, great. Try physics, try maths, try the retards. I'm just winding her up, but anyway. I applaud everyone that does degrees, but I like pressing people's buttons. But yeah, degree is not everything, I'll tell you that right now. I did fucking 0 effort and I got 68%, nearly a first, doing absolutely no work at all. Just with brain power. True brain power. So hopefully here that now this goal should get down to 2031.2. Yep. Uni is for getting drunk. Bro, Max, you have an issue getting feedback? What? What are you on about? You said I'm arrogant. No, I think you're arrogant thinking that you're smart with 2 degrees. Wow, great. Well done. What else have you done? I haven't said I'm smart, I'm just saying you're not. With that evidence. He thinks trading gives a fuck about your degree. Exactly, that is very, very true. So 30 minutes, you should realistically get here now. $2031.2. GJ Riot then resistance. Yeah, so I think in terms of the celery, I think it was good. I think people who took it, well done. For me on the 5, it was just with volume is all right, but I don't know. I feel like I wanted to stay out of this that one, especially the 30-minute. And what actually did happen was we did wick, came down, wicked all the way back up, so that would have been some sweaty balls. But looks like it played out over here, which is great. I'm smart because I'm in this group. Gold to the recess can be fairly seen on the 1 minute. Because the 3 minutes, you are nothing, bro. Damon. I'm not even just gonna discuss Damon. In fact, actually, I'm gonna block you from this because you asked the most retarded questions. How do I block someone? Hide user on this channel. There you go. Bye, Damon. That fucking retard comes on every single morning, asks the same questions again and again. Shut the fuck up. Now time. What's this? Yeah. So it came back up. So gold has retraced about 78% of the FOMC move. Yeah, it's retraced. Very true. Before he went, he said Kaden will cheat. He always asks why don't you read his message every single day. I know, I was sick of it. Yeah. Why don't you answer my question? You did a psychology degree and you're asking someone why don't you answer my question? Maybe because they didn't see your question. You fucking retard. Max, why didn't you take the 30-minute breakout? That closure here? That's a good point. I mean, the stop loss wasn't really the safest. You had to use previous 15. Continuation. Yeah, you could have. For me, the move was higher up. I'd rather have got in there. I think from here to here. I mean, it's still bad. Yeah, you could have taken it. So if you got that one there, I mean, if you go here, if you go to the 15 minute. Yeah, also for the fact that price for salaries loves to go retrace, doesn't it? Loves to go retest it. So your stop there isn't safe, I don't think. So yeah, it'd be a little bit on the riskier side. But obviously the volume here, it's great. It's just retracing the whole FOMC move, which is nice. So GJ coming back up. Look at the 4 hour. Reflipping. Wick on GJ. I know. Look at that 4 hour. Oh my god. Did it move down with FOMC? Where's FOMC? Oh no, push down and then up, yeah. So looking like the candles are going to be retracing over here. Oh yes. So in terms of this as well, right? If you used current candle, you would have been okay. If you used previous, stop loss would have been 26. The zone would have been 26. Yeah, it's all right. 1 to 1. So well done people that got that. For me, I was just not. I wasn't really comfortable with the wicks and the support. You reckon a GJ buy? I mean, it looks very bullish, but there's, you know, if I mark on here, there's resistance. Sorry, there's support right there. The resistance could be there. The zone is quite choppy here as well, so it's quite hard to find the GJ buys at the moment. Yep. So that's another example as well. When you got to that TP there, you know, you can leave a runner on, and look, your runner would have done well there. If you just closed full there, now you're like, oh man, it ran, you know, an extra 40 pips, that sucks. You know, you need to remember that sometimes, especially after when the zones are so big here, just leave a little runner on. The runner will do its thing, you know. The runner will do its job. still on GJ later on. We're waiting for the sells. The buys, as I said, above 174.60. And gold can do its thing. Buys above here. Probably even buys above here now. Yeah, 2040. And just go break even towards them levels. Oh, yes. Where's the magic keys gone out there? Putting stop loss right on the zone is very dangerous. You need to give price a little room to retest the zone. What? In your strategy, maybe, but in other people's, maybe not so much. I feel people commenting on other people's strategies is just the most stupidest thing. It's like, how can I explain it? It's like teaching someone how to swim. You've got 2 arms and 2 legs, and this person's got 3 arms and 1 leg. It's gonna be different. It's still, you know, they're still gonna probably work out. They're still probably gonna be able to swim, but it'll be much fucking different to yours. Does it mean it's bad? Does it mean it's worse? No. It means it's different. So when people, that was a great analogy. Jesus Christ. What a crazy analogy. So when people ask about how you trade, or like, you know, oh, why do you use a stop loss there? Why is your stop loss not there? It's like, you know, that's fine. Asking questions is good, but telling someone your stop shouldn't be there, it should be higher. It's like, well, how do you know that? Are you on the Sims 6 hours a week? Are you back testing with me? No. So it's like, or it's like when you go fill up your car, right? Mine's petrol, right? I fill up petrol. It's like someone coming to a petrol station looking at me. Why aren't you using diesel? Because I'm using petrol, because my car takes petrol. My car drives. You may use diesel. Your car hopefully drives. Good, that's great. But in terms of telling me to use diesel, I don't need to use diesel. I use petrol fine, thank you very much. I know someone with 3 legs. Yes, the ancient 3 arm, 1 leg trading philosophy. Thanks for what you do, Max. It's awesome to have you playing on the second one while trading in London. All the love from Melbourne. Also, you're a funny kid. So there's the tap that we expected, 2031 tap, which is great. And look, can you see on the 5 minute why it makes sense? Well, we had a resistance here, we've pushed up, we never went to retest. Oh look, we have now. Great. So it did have some good magnets down there as well. Great success. I just wish we didn't mess around right there that long. I would have taken that salary. But each to their own, it's all good. I can't bloody wait for some I can't wait for Alton Towers, man. What the fuck has Caitlin bought on my Amazon? Oh, this woman needs to be put in place. What has she just bought on my Amazon? Which she's paying monthly for. Ah, okay. Okay, fair. That's actually not that bad. Like, I don't remember paying something monthly, but I actually did, so I apologize. It was not my woman. Max, I'm off to Alton Towers today. No way. Oh my god. No way. Yeah, I'm going on Saturday. Yeah, I'm excited. The praying before was about Raja. Wait, what was Raja smoking? Was he smoking on the Zaza?
See, so this was the news.
Where does he light it?
6 months. There's sometimes though how much money was so you know, because hands like this, commissions you can get this, because to me, Marcus, here we really want you to be a profitable trader.
Housing.
I know.
Where did you start smoking? I saw it before.
Put in place. Our future policy actions will depend. So, taking your question, of course,
at the start?
our decision was to raise the federal funds rate.
Losing money hand. No, so gonna. So. I
Nice.
think I'm gonna trade at this point. Looking forward for next week's boot camp. Can't wait to learn this press. Yes, looking forward to see you. We have about 25 strong coming over to the Dubai boot camp we're hosting. Yeah, and the company's name is Raja FX Funding. 4 minutes. In the beginning, brother, like in the beginning from 2016, access to my Vantage FX. So I think that's gonna. All right, so we got about 50 seconds left now. 50 seconds left.
They lit it on the actual thing.
20 lots. So
I
basically,
fucking love Raja, man. He's just such a G.
the buy stop is gonna go above the 15-minute candle high, and the sell stop, ideally, the sell stop is gonna go below this candle. Right here.
I want
But also
people
remember-
saying in the chat. Oh my god, that
Also
is
remember,
top G shit, that.
the volume can be so high, your orders can be
Yo, this can't
they
be
can get slipped. So you got to keep that in mind. Let's hope for the best.
Let's hope for the best.
The price is not pausing.
That's good.
Usually, oh, okay.
He didn't delete his sell stop quick,
If
did
this
he?
candle breaks if this candle comes below the low of below the high of the previous candle, then I'm gonna close this trade. But since it's broken the high, it should continue to push up 18, 20 pips, 24, 22 pips. I'll take it at that. 22.
I fucking love Raja, man. Oh, that's great. Nah, he's not in Dubai. He's not. He's in he's in Pakistan. Yeah, he's not smoking in Dubai, I don't think. I know, he didn't take his sell stop off. God dang. Back in W. Right, I want to ask people, how old are people in the chat? How old is everyone? Let's take a look over here. Wow, look at that. A lot of ages. 35. Damon is 9. Well, unfortunately now Damon can't ask any questions. 11. Ah, nice, Tom. 23, 23, 23. 23. There's a lot of 23s. Wow, 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 wow. A lot of 23s, yeah. A lot of 23s. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So look, there's a mixed bag, isn't there? 69 years old, beautiful. 52, as you know. Ollie ages like a fine wine. Damon is 17 with 2 degrees. Ashwagandha and beer. The ashwagandha. Seven learning on the job. I'm 16 with 30 years experience. That's great. Where the fuck is Brian in the chat? Where's he? Is he taking anything this morning? Great job though. People took the celery today. I think a lot of people did. How did you get in there, Toby boy? Oh, you got the closure. Yeah. Especially after that top wick, that was good. That wasn't bad, eh? Yeah, I missed gold. To be honest with you, I was thinking quite bullish on gold, to be honest with you. I was still quite bullish on it. So that's kind of why changing my direction so quickly after just taking a W there is quite hard as well, to be fair. I always find that really hard. I mean, to be fair, I think everyone does. You can't change from, like, taking buys to taking sells that quickly. I think Brian's on holiday. Yeah. This stream should be illegal to watch for the age below 18. Nah, bro, I FOMO'd into GJ. Not looking good, bruv. Oh, no. Why? Why did you FOMO into GJ? It didn't close above. Had no top wick. The left-hand side is retest is there. Therefore, the zone is 15 pips, even if you got in there. If you got the break of the highs, the zone is 10 pips. If that, it stops a massive. Just be logical with it, man. Be logical with it. Look, I haven't taken any trades this month so far in terms of closure above and belows. The only one that was actually realistic this month is probably that celery. Could have been realistic if you wanted to. For me, I didn't like the 5 though. But in terms of an actual closure, I'd say the only one, an actual setup, the only one is probably been that celery. Or the celery and GJ on Monday, but it was bank holiday. So they're the only 2 trades that I've seen with normal closures. Now, am I getting worked up about it? No, because I know they'll come. In the meantime, I've been fucking around with W's. So much so that actually we've taken 4. We've taken 4. 3 winners, 1 loss. The loss would have won if I just left it and didn't manage. So, great job. That would have been a total of, if you did 1.4% on all of these so far, that'd be 1.28. Obviously, that one didn't work, but let's say that we did. It did get a 1.4. So it's 2.6, 3.7, nearly 4% on the M's and W's on gold already. And I haven't even backtested gold that much. I just wanted to take them because I like the way they look. You took 4 W's and they're W's. Yeah, you gotta just DVL asleep. Go with the flow. Well, especially you're going for the flow at, like, you know, a high volume time, which is great. Great. So yeah, depending on closures, you know, buy above 2045 is going to be the main target for me. Because, sorry, the main zone. I'm sure that'll be Don's as well. It'll be so clean to get back up to 2051. That'll be great. We have just got to retest the level. We overall are bullish, so depending if you want to obviously retrace the whole move, then fair dues, but that'll be later on for the sells. So let's just do this over here. Let's say, forget this candle, but let's say I want to ask people's knowledge in terms of the YouTube chat, because I want to see if they've picked up on anything. So let's just say that an M is here. Sorry, not an M, a W, and it closed there, and this is the closure. Would you take this trade? People in the YouTube and people in the mentorship, tell me. Would you take this trade? What is our rules with this? What is our rules with this? Yeah. Just gonna wait for the neckline. Okay, so you would probably take it. Okay. I'm not gonna click on here yet because I know what you guys. No, I wouldn't take it. Okay. Why wouldn't you take it? So if a W formation happened here and you got a closure above, why wouldn't you take it? You need to know the structure of the 5 minute. Yeah, that was nice. It didn't close above, unfortunately. It's a bit annoying, but yeah, it was good. So the reason is because, as I said before, price loves to go retest level it's just broken out of. If you look here, if you got a W there, the area it could reject is there, therefore the zone is too small. Okay. Also, what do we talk about in the mentorship as well? We talk about, I don't know because it's retraced too much and it's bearish at the moment. Yep, too close to the resistance that has not been mitigated. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Tom would because he's a fucking G. We're retesting now the zone above. Yeah, exactly. So I wouldn't because it's retesting the zone. And that's where price can reject and continue further. Very nice. You can't take buys on a downtrend. That's the main reason why we can't take buys. So in this one, obviously, it's counter trend. Like, sorry, it's counter trend. You know, overall bearish. So you'd have to find a magnet at the top, which it's kind of all a retest. We don't really have a magnet, which is the next thing. Are we at a support? We were at a support, which is nice. So I mean, the only thing is really we didn't really retrace fully because of tapping the bodies. So but yeah, the main one is this. You can't touch it because of this level here. I'm actually in. There's no bloody W, Tom. You're just fucking buying support. Good stuff. Look at this pumping back up. Pump it louder. Pump it louder. Turn up the radio. Yeah, so target right now would be 2037.8. The retest of the salary would be great. Why? Because that's where we broke off. You trade on 1 second. Maybe the 3. Get more of an aggressive stop on the flip. Stop loss below. Continue there. That was 14 pips. Yeah, it's the 3. The 3. And the 3 makes sense. Why? Well, because obviously you know it's going to go at least retest this level here. And your stop loss could be quite tight. So that makes sense in the 3. Good job, good job, good job. In and out, shake it all about. Pump it louder. Let's take a look at EJ. Oh, EJ's coming back down. Oh shit, the Owlie's gonna close potentially below as well. Bearish, maybe a celery. How's GJ? GJ is nowhere near. Wow. Is there any news? Yes, there is. For fuck's sake. Euro news, unfortunately. That sucks ass. You take that bearish candle as the resistance is forming, and once we break this point, it's a high, we just the zone above. Yeah. Yep. Max, is there a video somewhere how to set up software effects? No, there isn't one. And I actually don't even remember how I did it. I think I might have gone online, go on YouTube and have a look and see how you can do it. Yeah, I'm not too sure of how to actually do it. I did it so long ago. Trading feels easier now because we're not ranging anymore. Yes, it's getting much nicer, eh? But the last part of, April, and, this little May, because there's been so much news, was a little bit harder. But yeah, it's looking like it's much better. Now, in terms of that, obviously with all the news, if I've taken, decent amount of money out of the markets already, it's not bad at all. Max, would you get this W retest on gold? I don't even know where the W is. Where's the W? I don't see an easy W. Max, have you ever taken a trade but closed it at a loss? But if you didn't close it, would it have been profitable? Yes, I did it literally 2 days ago. Yeah, it's just a U. It's no, nah, it's not. It's not anything I want. It's no obvious W. Yeah, that trade literally there, I closed at minus 0.67, and it ran to 1.4. Yeah, in recent times, even in April, there was a trade up here, which, yeah, this one here, I think, it whipped me out by 1 pip, and then continued 2-to-1 risk to rewards. That one was a bit unfortunate as well, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. April was terrible for me, though I made profit. There you go. That's not bad then. That's not bad. So closing now, obviously EJ, the news is coming up. Is it Thursday today? Oh my god, it is Thursday. Oh my god, I'm going to Alton Towers tomorrow. Yes, yes. Well, I'm not going to Alton Towers, but I'm going on the holiday bit there, which is great. So yeah, for people in the mentorship, we are going to do the simulation later on. We'll do the gold one, start to get the gold up and running. On Friday, obviously, we'll do the GJ one, and then the GJ one will be finished. I think we will finish 2021, and then we'll have it all in, we'll have a year's data. But so far, I mean, if we look at 2021 in terms of M's and W's on GJ, I don't think I've written all the things, but we can kind of go through it. Ooh. Yeah, there's some there. There's quite a lot there, actually. Oh, there's fucking loads there. Oh my god. Loads there. Look like good win rate. Let's take a look here. There's no M's and W's there. I haven't done M's and W's, I don't think, on February. March, there's lots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All winners, I think they were. April, 1, 2, 3, 4, LL. One was Asian buy, so 4 out of 5 were winners. 1, 2 winners. 100% win rate there. 2 winners, 100% win rate there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 winners, 1 break even. So you can see the win rate is very good on them. Yeah, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 9 trades, or 10 trades, sorry. Lost 1, 2 break even. So 7 wins, 1 loss, 2 break even. So you can see there's a great win rate. Great win rate. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. 4 out of 5 winners. 1, 2, 3 winners. November, we're literally halfway in. We've already taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners, 1 break even. So looking good. EJ 1 hour celery. Nah, it's got news, and also, yeah, it's still respecting that support. I'd rather it close below. I think they'll, yeah, it's still respecting the support here. I think that would be a little bit risque. Risque. Okay, so to finish off over here, guys, we're still waiting for the zones. The only thing is gold. I mean, you could have taken the celery, as we've discussed numerous times. I took the W as well, which I got something out of it. Actually, we actually, in terms of that W, if you actually look, over here. Oh, this is the 3 minute. I was thinking, why is the 3 minute look fucking Yeah, the overall distance of that one, got the retest there, went 16 pips, stop loss was like 18 or so, so really not bad at all. Great stuff. And the continuation of the sells there, that 5-minute closure below was great at 8 o'clock, and then the rundown was nice. But great stuff, guys. So yeah, we'll start this chess game. See if we can actually get a W, because I've been getting absolutely ass whooped on this. My thing's going down, so hopefully. Yeah. Come on, boy. Ah, shit. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Exactly, Daniel. Yeah, that's why it's good. Yeah, that horse is a good position. Oh, he hasn't seen it. Can I do that? And then I can do... Yeah, and then I can do that. Am I safe? Am I safe? Am I safe? Way! Right, that was an easy game. Let's play again. Come on, boy. Does Magic Keys limit your trades? I think it can do. I think it can do 100%. Yeah. When I take a loss, I stop thinking and start gambling. Is that right? You gotta stop doing that, brother. Ooh, he's got me in the balls there. I gotta do this. EJ, bro. Yeah. It's just the news, bro. The news just came out. We'll see. See how this next kind of closes, but right now, yeah, it's just all movement news. Then I can go there and then there. No. When I take a loss, I stop thinking and start gambling. Yeah, you gotta stop doing that, brother. Yeah, I was thinking that. Bro, where did chat go? Ah, People don't like waiting for the chess, but I do. But I do. Oh my god, it's May the 4th, yeah. May the 4th be with you. Shame that they've ruined that fucking Star Wars with the absolute bullshit Disney have done. Oh, why did he give it to Disney, man? It's just the biggest pile of wank I've ever seen. If they've brought anything out, Star Wars. Okay. I don't really know where to go here. Isn't he just gonna kill me there though? No. Don't know what to do. Nah, but this is God and this horse. Why can't I do that? I don't fucking know. I don't need course. Raja, I only took Raja's course. Yeah, I took no course, so you don't need really a course. Do you? I don't want to keep my queen. Oh shit, he can still just kill me and lose his queen. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. See, why did you guys tell me to do that? I should have just moved the king away. Fuck's sake! He's got my queen now, man! Oh my god, the one thing I didn't want is my fucking queen and not his. Oh, fuck off. Lost another game again. Lord have mercy, we are shit recently. Sorry guys to say, we are fucking garbage. We've got nothing, I give up. Right, that's put me in a foul mood again. Okay, guys, so yeah, nothing here now. GJ just ranging. EJ trying to break, but I mean, maybe at 9:30. Could try and get a closure to go fill that. I don't like how it's faked out that area, though. It's kind of annoying now. I mean, what you could do... Did it go back and retest here? It did. You may want to closure below 60 now. 630. If you look on the 15, there's a little minor there. So I'd probably wait for below that level now. 640. 640, mate. We resign. Nah, I'm done. I'm done with chess. I'm gonna work on myself. You guys are making me lose. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. So we discussed the W. We took a W. We discussed the sells later on. You know, when it started rejecting the 15 to 30 minute close below support. So the celery was decent for me. I didn't like it because of the rejection wicks. And the way the 30 minute had 2 rejection wicks. But good job. Well done for people who did want to take that. Later on, the closure below was okay, but for me, the retest would have been a little bit cautious, but had enough drive and pushed down to 2031. So, great job if you guys did get in. Let me just check up here. Yeah, the M would have been quite interesting, but it just... I don't like it when it's like 3. But that one there, whoever took that M, I bet you guys are pissed off with that candle there. No, I would have wicked you out and then continue. No. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. Positive vibes as usual. Hope Damien has a great day. And yeah, adios, guys. Thank you so much. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Adios. See you later, Zoom. See you later for NY session. And all that good stuff. Peace out, guys. Adios. See you later. Adios. Adios, amigos. Adios. Thank you, guys. Peace out. Have a great day. Make sure to grind.